Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Anna and Ava. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the best of your jeans that you do not use anymore. So, guys, and you are going to want to get some scissors, a Sharpie, and a rock. And a partner to help you. Where you think you're going to want to cut the short, okay?
So we wanted to cut them here, so snip.
So we did that both legs. Then you're going to want to cut it to your desired length. For that, for Ava, it's this. After that, you are going to take a rock, such as this one, and distress them. We will show you this in one second. Okay, so we have these shorts, we have rocks, and we are going to just rub it against this part, like so.
As you can see, we have a nice distressed
look
part
to the jeans
compared to a nice clean cut.
So we are going to do this for the rest of the pants, and then we will show you what you
Finished
can do
product.
with the jeans after. We are going to show you another thing you can do to distress the jeans. Ava is going to demonstrate cutting the jeans and making holes
So you're
in
gonna
them.
need the scissors, and you're just gonna try to cut, you know, casually cut it, make a tiny little slip in
Like
the
a slit.
shorts.
Well, you're going to want to take them off.
No, I don't want to take them
Yes,
off.
you do.
Whatever. I guess I'm taking them off. Did you hear that? Okay, this is gonna be a really dumb video.
By the way, these rocks don't have to be store-bought. You can just find them in your front lawn. So, there's ants crawling on the camera.
Ew. Okay, so you have this little
Hole.
Just make the hole bigger.
No.
Yeah.
You cut a slit.
I did.
It's a hole. Okay.
No.
You can. Okay. It'll probably work, I guess.
It will.
While doing this, you may fail a couple times.
But just keep trying.
It takes a little bit of practice, but you can do it. That was take 1. We're gonna try number 2.
Okay, so we're gonna try it this time with it on.
Okay. No. Actually, yeah, no, do it up.
Like this?
Because then it'll go side. Take 3.
No, I like this one.
Oh, okay. I like it too.
Side here.
No, do it lower.
Oh, I see. I feel you. You'll maybe have a rip. I need to poop.
I have a better place. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, we just switched a little bit of scenery. I have done one pant, kind of, and I'm doing this all for Ava, so.
Hey, I'm making
better
your leg
thank
warmer.
you.
Okay, so right now we got this going. We almost got holes. You can almost.
Well, 3rd time's the charm. That's actually working.
I know.
We should definitely take some cute pics.
Oh, wait, it worked. And then you rip them when they get close enough, and they're good. That's actually good.
Just poop there.
Okay. I'll just poop right here then.
We'll do a little montage just to make it that much better. Okay. Oh no, it has to be sideways. Just keep moving.
Finished product.
Wait. Okay. This is the music over this. So.
There's bugs on it.
To wear your leg warmers. They're a little bit of a hassle, but once you get them on, they're really cute. Okay, ready? Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Please give it a thumbs up,
Like and
subscribe, And tell your friends about us. Tell your mom.
Tell your friend's mom.
Tell your third cousin
Tell
about
your
us.
third cousin's dog.
And we will see you guys next time. Bye. Ah.